Hi, I'm Wongster 1970. Today I'm going to be installing this COBRA Powerflo intake on my 2007 Yamaha Vstar 1300. Let's get started. And it looks like the first thing we need to do is remove the 4 bolts that hold the stock air cleaner cover. Remove chrome cover and filter from air box. That is a 4mm. Remove my air filter, which, wow, that needs cleaned again. That's pretty dirty. I just cleaned that at the beginning of the season. This is a 4mm. There we go. It's not a exact O-ring. You have to fit it into the groove. It's just an O-ring. I'm supposed to force it. I could see you could probably end up cutting it. And then this one. And there we go. Evidently this is supposed to push down in further. Same thing with the bottom one. Now it'll line up. I gotta find the bolts. Due to model year variant, the correct bolt length must be used on the 3rd bolt hole. First, use the M5x55 Allen bolt with a split lock washer and try to fully tighten the bolt. Aluminum thus it must be removed, and the M5x30 Allen bolt with the split lock washer must be installed and tightened to factory specifications until fully seated. And this has got to be the one. And I'm going to have to find the torque specs for this. I guess the 35 inch-pounds. As soon as I get on it. That's 35. I would presume then I need to put this hose on. Slide the hose on the pipe, the welded pipe. And put that on there. And these have Loctite on them. They are not tight. They're not. Okay, so I will take that off, and I will take this bracket. And that bracket does not line up. Not even close to lining up. Okay, I'm supposed to be removing these two. I'm going to remove these two. Then use the last button head bolt and lock washer. That's 35 inch-pound. 35 inch-pounds. See about how tight these are. I think I can get down. good. That's good. Of course, I have to take the air filter out of the plastic. So, that should be interesting. There is no way to get a socket in there. You don't want to go crazy tight on it, but I don't want this thing falling off. That should do it. Just gotta wipe her down. Get my fingerprints off of it. There we go. We'll have to try that out and see how it works. Well, that'll do it for installing the replacement COBRA high velocity air intake on my 2007 Yamaha Vstar 1300. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.